Okay, going for the next topic or next chapter, that is the financial management. Before the knowing of financial management, first just think what is the meaning of financial management. Two words is there, beta. Two words. One is finance and second is management, and both have the separate meaning, beta. Both have the separate meaning. Finance means the way by which we are going to collect our required money, needed money, and management is the process by which we are going to arrange or set our settlement or utilize the all resources. Okay, beta? And when we are going by the financial management, just add the both. It means finance and management. It means what type of finance or money we are required, how to going to best way to manage of this, that is called financial management, or the way and system by which we are going to manage our finance in best possible way, that is called financial management. It means in this financial two type of things. One is the finance and second is management. Management is try to set the required finance or manage the required finance by the best possible way. As like that, you are needed 1,000 rupees. Okay? If no management is there, you are just traveling from that, arranging this 10,000, 1,000 rupees. You how to manage. But if management is going on there, then they are well known about this thing. How they are going to manage this 1,000 or 10,000, 1 lakh rupees. They are going to manage the best way, right system. They are going to utilize the different resources for the managing of that finance. So, what is the financial management? For the needed finance, for the required finance, when we are going to utilize the management system, that is called financial management. Or you can say easily, financial management is system by which we are going to manage our finance in best possible way. Okay, beta? Okay, next topic is role of financial management. It's very important, beta. Just think, once some general person want to manage the 1 lakh rupees, then they are going to struggle about that. How we are going to arrange, going for bank, going from the other societies, going from the market, or going from our any family members. They are struggling. But if management is working there, so they well known about the all resources, all things, all way by which they are easily collect his finance. So the management is always utilizing or using the different resources, different way for the managing your finance. Okay, beta? Next. Size and composition of fixed assets. By the management, by the finance, we are going to manage the size. What type of size, what type of fixed assets required for this business, because different type of business, different type of assets we are needed. Okay, beta? And by the management, we are going to decide about the finance, how much finance we are going to invest it on the what type of assets or which type of assets. Okay, beta? Or size of assets. Okay, next. Amount and composition of current assets and current liability. How much amount we are taking for the liquid way? Current assets is what, beta? Current assets means liquid cash or liquid assets. Okay, beta? So how much amount we needed for liquid? Because the different type of business needed different type of liquid amount. Okay, if any big size of business, any electronic business, that accounting cycle or cash cycle is very long, we needed more cash. As like that, if you are going for any washing machine company, just study for any washing machine company. So that washing machine company needed very big amount, because first they are going to make the washing machine, then send for the sell, then money will back. So that is not like that, beta. They are waiting for that, when sell and money will come, then going to start the other. They are going to start the other production. So they needed big cycle of cash, more amount for cash, more liquid money. So that is decided by whom? That is decided by the financial management. Okay, next.
The amount of long-term and short-term funds.
Okay, what amount we are going to invest in long-term assets and what amount is going to investing in short-term assets? What amount we are going to collect by the long-term liability? What amount we are going to collect by the short-term liability? These are all decisions taken by the financial management. Okay, these are all decisions, because just remember the balance sheet. These all things is there or not? Long-term, short-term liability, assets, everything now, and that all is taking decision by the financial management, because before the starting of the capital, these all will decide by the management. Next.
Breakup of long-term financing into debt equity, etc.
Okay, they are going to take the decision about the how we are going to collect the long-term capital or long-term money by the share, by the debenture, by the bonds. How much share they are going to issue? Because one more topic will come, beta. Debt equity ratio, and that is called leverage. Beta. That is called leverage. On the behalf of debt equity ratio, many type other things is coming. Balance sheet ratio, loan, that all will take by the any company on the behalf of debt equity ratio. Because debt and equity, that is the solvency ratio also. How much debt you have and how much equity you have. On the basis of you are taking the decision about this. Next.
All items in profit and loss account.
All items, we are making the PL account, beta. So which amount, which things, which head we are going to utilize in our profit and loss, that decision taken by the financial management. Next.
Objective of financial management.
If you are going for the objective, beta, so only one objective is there. Manage the best possible way or manage the finance in cheapest way. Manage the finance in cheapest way. Minimum expense, maximum finance. Make the criteria, make the structure of finance is best way. Make the structure of assets, liability, debt, equity in best possible way. These are the objective of the financial management. Because they are managing what? They are managing finance. So they are working about the finance money. Next.
Financial decision.
Three type of decision, beta. Three type mainly. One, investing. Second,
Financing.
third,
Dividend.
one investing, second financing, and third is dividend. Just think like that. Investing and financing just opposite. Financing means from where they are going to collect the money, and investing after the collecting of this money, where we are going to invest that money. Okay, beta? First we are going to collect the money, arrange the money, and after the arranging we are going to invest that money from maximum return. Collecting the money with the minimum expense. Minimum expense or cheapest way, and then just invest same money and maximum return. As like that, you are arranging 1 lakh rupees by the interest rate of 6% and going to invest that 1 lakh rupees by the interest rate of 8%. Then 2% of margin is there now. That decision is taken by the financial management. So first is what, beta? Investment decision. In this decision, financial manager try to take the decision about the investment of different sector, different assets, different liability on which head we are going to invest our money. Okay, beta? Next.
Importance or scope of capital budgeting decision, investment decision.
In investment decision, many factors is there. Okay? Many factors that they are affecting the investment decision. You know now? You know? Factors. Okay, before the factor, budget is there. Remember? Busting. Anyone remember what is the budget? Budget. Just make the plan of the income and expenditure of the future. That is called budget. And same we are going to make in our financial decision. Next, long-term growth. All long-term growth is 100% depend on the financing and investing decision. Where we are going to invest, that is always depend on the long-term loan or long-term growth. If you are investing in good way, if you are investing in right things, so then in long term you are getting the profit. Wrong things, wrong way, then in long term you are getting the loss. Next.
Large amount of funds involved.
Okay, large amount of fund. How to manage the large amount of fund? That always taken by the management, that financial management. If they needed a large amount, for that large amount, as like that, you are needed 1 lakh, 2 lakh, you are going to take the bank loan. You needed 10 lakh, 20 lakh, you are going to sell our own assets. But you needed 1 crore, 2 crore. Then these two resources face the beta. You are not able to take the loan from the 2 crore from the bank. Then maybe you are issuing debenture or shares, because they are giving the long-term loan, long-term money. Next, risk involved. By the financial decision, why I am saying the cheapest way, means going to invest your money on that sector or that factor where the minimum risk, maximum profit, but on the basis of minimum risk. You know what that one financial manager, financial manager is posted in a company's better. They are taking only decision about that. Fund manager word, new word is coming, fund manager. They are taking the decision for the mutual fund, where we are going to invest the money or not. They are exact utilizing these things. Your money, they are giving the money, they are taking your money and going to invest on different sector. By that, the total return in the mutual fund beta, they are not investing in one sector. You are giving the 1,000 now, but they are going to invest that 1,000 in 2 or 3 sectors. Maybe one are getting profit, 2 are getting profit, third is being lost, but total is some profit. Next.
Irreversible decision.
Means if the problem is coming with the decision or any factor is coming against our decision, they are ready with the other decision or changing our decision, or that decision is not very much affected by your business. They are ready with the option. They are ready with the substitute. Next.
Factors affecting investment.
Okay, factor affecting investment decision. Just you will think, you are going to invest your money in any sector. So first what you are seeing? The risk factor, more return, safe, long-term fund. These are what they are. Okay, these are the things.
Cash flow of the project.
Cash flow of the project. If your cash flow is very big or very big circle, then you are going to invest your money in current way, current system, short-term deposit, because you needed money. You needed more money, beta na? So you are going to invest your money in liquid way, where easily you change in liquid, means in cash. Next.
Return of investment.
Return on certain every person when going to invest the money, they are always thinking about the more return. For that they are going for the fixed assessment, fixed deposit. If general what is we are talking, so you are not going for the saving, you are going for the fixed deposit because interest rate is more. But in the come on the function of the business, always they are thinking before the investing that interest or return on that investment is more and more than we are going to invest the money. Next.
Investment criteria.
Investment criteria. It's not like that, it's a business, it's a business finance. It's not like that you are easily invest your money everywhere. Some criteria is there, some system is there. You have to follow that system. How much amount is investing for the long term investment, how much amount going to in the short term investment, going for the liabilities, going for the assets. So these all decisions taken by these all the factors affecting the investing decision. Next.
Financing decision.
First revise them. Okay.